Yeah.
If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven.
Hey, welcome to the next episode of Double Dogleg Golf. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, notification bell to be notified when other videos come out. Today I'm out here in North Carolina, out in Boone with my dad. He's fishing, he's been fishing all trip, but today we're fishing for birdies. See how many birdies we can catch, just like those fish. If you have any other places that you'd like to see me play, just comment below if you'd like to see me play any really cool courses. I love your feedback as well on my channel, all the content I produce for y'all. Enjoy the show. Take care. Bye. Here doing a what's in the bag. I got a secondhand set of clubs this morning at the Peanuts and Golf Shop out in Boone, North Carolina. We got the classic Callaway 11 degree driver Big Bertha Warbird. What a classic club that is. We got the Titleist 907 D1 stiff 8.5 degree. We got a Ping 3 iron. It's a driving iron. G2. That should be really cool. And then for my irons, I got these Titleist DCI irons, 5, 6, 8, 9, and pitching wedge. So that's what we got in the bag. Putter, I'm going to be using this little Odyssey putter. Here we go. Let's rock it. Yep.
Well, it didn't go anywhere, but
Straight.
great. Okay. Good. Sounds interesting.
Might want to keep that drop.
All right. That's in position. That's fine.
Oh, hit left.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same?
Okay.
If I saw you in heaven, would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven,
Nice. Great play.
be the same.
Great play.
If I saw you in
Nice.
heaven,
Okay. Nice. Good shot.
Couple early pops.
Almost. There you go. It's in.
would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same?
Bumped it. That'll be an easy shot tracer.
Would you know my name? If I saw you in heaven,
Yeah. See what it does. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, stayed in the back. Great shot.
I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Fishing for birdies. Oh. Didn't catch one there. Maybe next hole. bunting it out there too.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if
Go.
I saw you in
Go.
heaven?
Good putt. Very nice.
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knee. Time can break your heart, have you begging me, begging
There you go.
Still go in the bunker. Yeah, fine.
Would you know my name
Kick left. Could be good.
if I saw you in heaven?
It did. A little long.
Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven?
Good try. All right, good speed. It's a good putt, actually.
Nice. Down the middle. Go. Yes. Oh yeah. Good roll. Nice shot. Right at it. Up there. Go. Yeah. Nice shot.
Go down. Way down. Go down.
Get hole number 2. You got it surrounded. Put a blanket on him. Let's go rolling some birds.
That's right.
Kick right. Nice. Great shot. Right at the bunker. Yep. Right down the middle. Come on, draw a little bit. Running through. Go. LA, Big Bertha, Warbird, 11 degree.
Take that hole.
Nice. Good ball. Right at the bed. Great shot. It's rolling up there. Yep, middle of the green. Wow. Whoa. Oh. Great putt.
Great job. You guys have dinner?
Yeah.
Down the middle. That should be fine. And up the left side, you have more room.
Go. Go. Down. Strong.
Oh, gotta pee.
My brother, where do you intend to go tonight? I heard that you missed your connecting flight to the Blue Ridge Mountain over near Tennessee. You're ever welcome with me anytime you like. Let's drive to the countryside, leave behind some green-eyed lookalikes.
Come on, get a good
No
bounce.
one gets worried,
Go.
no.
Go, go.
So no one gets worried, no.
Good putt.
But
Very nice.
Sean, don't get careless. I'm sure it'll be fine. I love you. I love oh, brother of mine.
Yeah. Good. Look at the hole. There he is. There's Dan from the sand. It's out. It's on. There you go. Yes! Nice, up and in with the Sandy. He's still the Sandman. He's still the Sandman. Yes! We got one! All right, fishing for birdies, and I finally get my first birdie of the day. Took 17 holes, grinded hard, had some chances. Finally got one to drop.
Terrible in my child, even if